Hi friends, welcome to our channel Civil Estimation. Today we will discuss about calculation of the cement and sand for plastering 12 mm thick. In previous video we discussed about 20 mm thick plastering for external surfaces, uneven surfaces. So today we will discuss about only 12 mm thick plastering for even surfaces of internal surfaces. So normally this is the brick wall. These are the racking of joints. We are calling as racking of joints. Racking of joints means after completion of the brickwork, means after completion of the means one or two layers, completion of this brick layers with wooden trowels, we will make it like this groove. Why we need to make this groove? While applying the plastering, if you apply the plaster material, wet mix material, it will goes into this grooves. So automatically the bond will be develop more. So there is no voids will be not formed. So the cracks will not come in future. So the to develop the grip or bond between the masonry and the plastering, we need to make it this grooves. Grooves means that is why we are calling this rendering. Then this is the wall surfaces like this. Internal surfaces are like this. Suppose if you want to do the plastering inside the walls, this is the BOQ specification. Plastering 12 mm thick in double coat in cement mortar with 8 mm thick of base coat of 1:6 and 4 mm thick of finish coat 1:4. Travel to even and smooth finish, including cost and conveyance of all materials like cement, sand, water, etc. to site. Cost of scenery charges and all other taxes on all materials and operational incidental charges and all labor charges for mixing mortar, finishing, scaffolding, lift charges, curing, including cutting grooves, etc. as directed by the engineer in charge to complete for finished item of work for internal even surfaces. Normally internal we will do the plumbing while constructing the brick masonry, it will come even surfaces. Outside we will not do, this 230 mm thick wall will come only one side only plumbing. So outside will go to the uneven surface. Now we are talking about the even surfaces. So now plastering 12 mm thick in cement and sand mortar. Location internal wall surfaces, unit 1 square meter. Base coat, thickness 8 mm thickness. See here in the BOQ description also 8 mm thick 1:6. 8 mm thick. 8 mm thick. 8 mm converted into the meter. 8 divided by 1000, 1 meter is equal to 1000 mm, so 0.008 meter. Cement mortar 1:6 proportion, 1 cement 6 sand. So sum of the mix ratio is equal to 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. So wall area assume 1 square meter, 1 into 1 in 1 meter into 1 meter, so 1 square meter. So wet mix plastering volume, so 1 meter into thickness of the plastering, all in terms of meters. So meter 0.008, that is equal to 0.008 cubic meters of the wet mix. Add extra 30% for filling of racking joints and covering of all undulations, line and level in wall, that is equal to original 0.008 of wet mix plus 0.008 into 30% for this covering of all undulations and the racking joints. So 0.010 cubic meter. Then we add extra 25% for dry volume. So 0.014 cubic meter plus 25% of 0.0104. So that is total 0.0130 cubic meter. This is the total dry volume of the cement mortar. Then we will calculate the material. Cement. What is the total dry volume quantity? 0.0130 cubic meter into divided by the sum of the all the proportions, that means 7, multiplied by the cement proportion, cement sharing proportions ratio 1. So that is equal to 0.00186 cubic meter of cement. Then this multiplied by 28.8 bag per cubic meter, we will get 0.053 bag. Then sand. What is the total dry volume of the cement sand mortar? 0.0130 divided by sum of the proportions multiplied by the sand proportion 6. So that is equal to 0.0111 cubic meter. This is for the base coat. Then come to the finish coat. Thickness 4 mm, 1:4 proportion. See the specification. Finish coat 4 mm thick 1:4. 4 divided by 1000 means 0.004 cubic meter. Cement mortar 1 cement and 4 sand. Sum of mix ratio 1 plus 4 5. Wall area assume 1 meter into 1 meter 1 square meter. So wet mix volume plastering 1 into 1 into 0.004 meter. All meters. Thickness also we are considering in terms of meter, so 0.004 cubic meter. Add extra for filling of the percentage for filling of the racking joints and covering of undulations. This is not required because this is the finish coat. This is covered in the base coat. Now we add extra 25% for dry volume. So what is the wet volume? 0.004 cubic meter plus 25% of the wet volume is equal to total 0.005 cubic meter. Then material calculation. Cement is equal to, what is the total dry volume of the cement sand mortar? 0.00 cubic meter divided by the sum of the proportions into cement proportion, that is equal to 0.001 cubic meter of cement. Then it multiplied by 28.8 bag per cubic meter, we will get 0.0288 bag. Then sand, what is the total dry volume of the cement sand mortar volume? 0.005 cubic meter divided by the sum of the proportions, means 5 multiplied by the sand proportion 4. So we will get 0.004 cubic meter. Then total base coat plus finish coat material cement. What is the cement? See, 0.053 bag. 0.053 bag. Then finish coat. What is the cement quantity? 0.0288 bag. 0.0288 bag. Similarly sand base coat. How much? 0.0111 cubic meter. Then finish coat 0.004 total 0.0151 cubic meter. So to do the 12 mm thick plastering of two coats of base coat 8 mm thick 1:6 proportion of cement sand mortar and finish coat of 4 mm thick with cement mortar 1:4, we need 0.0818 bag of cement and 0.0151 cubic meter of the sand. I think hope it is understood for everybody. Thank you very much.